Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. General Accident Insurance Company says its claims cost is still increasing, although fewer people are making motor vehicle insurance claims. Managing Director Sharon Donaldson made the disclosure while indicating that additional expenses kept the company from recognizing higher profits. She was speaking yesterday at Mayberry's monthly investor forum. With more people working from home, road accidents are on the decline. It has also resulted in fewer people making insurance claims. But as Managing Director at General Accident Insurance Company Sharon Donaldson explains, the expenses relating to claims are still going up.
We have not seen any significant reduction or any material reduction in our claims costs. And if you look at our results, our claims costs have in fact increased over prior year. What we have seen is a reduction in frequency. So there may be less accidents, but the cost of what we have seen has gone up.
She says much of the additional expenditure is tied to foreign exchange movement.
The cost of providing parts, as the dollar moves, the cost of parts go up. So there is not a direct relationship between the fact that the frequency has gone down, it means that the cost is going to go down. Because Jamaica doesn't make parts, Gary, so everything has to be imported. So as soon as the dollar devalues, then the cost of providing the same bumper becomes more expensive. So yes, we have seen a reduction in frequency of accidents, but not a reduction in costs.
Mrs. Donaldson says the financial constraint is affecting the company, but she notes that the outlook is still positive.
I think the market will continue to grow, maybe not grow as fast as we'd like, but I think that we will survive 2020. Very optimistic about it.
The Bank of Jamaica is reporting that the country's net international reserves, NIR, declined in September. At the end of the month, the reserves were valued at a little over $2.7 billion. That was a decline of $11 million when compared to the previous month. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $145.72. The Canadian dollar closed at $112. The pound is going for $189.51, while the euro is being sold for $173.25. The JSE index gained 2,789 points today, and the junior market index is up 4 points. Among the winners were Knoxford Express Services, Main Event Entertainment Group, Consolidated Bakeries, 138 Student Living Preference Shares, and Epley. Now on the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Jetcon Corporation, Express Catering, 1834 Investments, and Radio Jamaica. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.